Take a look at this beautiful home, brand new on the market. It is right here at 543 Hummingbird Hill in Canyon Lake Hills. Great location on the south side of the lake, very close to boat ramp number 6 and boat ramp number 7. We'll take a look inside next. So when you enter the front door, you enter this nice large living area right inside the front door. Very spacious, perfect area for entertaining. And then you come on into the house and you can either go to the right, which is going to be towards the kitchen, or to the left, which is going to be the master bedroom. And then we've got a great half bath right here downstairs, right when you're entering the house. And that is such a great area for guests. So we'll take a look here into the master. Turning to the left, you can see this gorgeous master bedroom. And remember, this home is coming completely furnished. So all of this furniture comes with the house. And we've got a great little deck outdoors into the backyard. And then here is on into the master bath. It's got the stand-up shower, and then it's got the toilet over to the side. Beautiful tile work here in the bathroom, and back on into this master bedroom. Turning right, we're gonna head on into the kitchen, and you can see they've got this beautiful backsplash, butcher block countertops, and take a look. I love this seating area here, this built-in bench right in the kitchen. I love the shiplap. Everything is so cute and decorated beautifully here in this home. Take a look back around at the remainder of the kitchen, and remember, this is just right off of that living area. Coming up the stairs here, you can see there's a great little nook for living area, reading area here at the top of the stairs, and then you've got an exterior door that goes out to the balcony as well, and a bathroom up on this level that services the 2 bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom on the left, and it is really decorated beautifully right here. And then you've got the bed, a little couch, closet here. Then stepping on back into the hallway, and we'll take a look at the other bedroom, which is on the right-hand side. This is just decorated so beautifully. Upstairs, you've got plenty of room for sleeping capacity here in this room as well, and the closets for this room are here. Stepping out to the back patio, we've got a laundry area in that closet, and then take a look at this peaceful, beautiful patio deck, and it's covered. It's got the seating area here, very large area in the backyard. Got the fence surrounding it here, and then you can come on over and see this other area here that is just outside the master. So peaceful out here in the Texas Hill Country. It's just a beautiful place to relax and enjoy your day.